on. Let's do it.
Yo, so we got someone in the house. Yesterday we had a chicken, and today we've got like, I don't know, maybe a sparrow or something? What the hell? Was that it knocking against the door? Oh no, that was this, okay. Yeah, it's in here. These savages want to eat it. Kai is actually eating. Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna let it free. Don't come over here! Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go in there and let it free. Gotta make sure not to let these savages in there, or they'll eat it. I mean, if it happens naturally, like I'll let them eat them, but it got stuck in the house, so I'm gonna let them free, just like that chicken, man. The chicken got so lucky. It plopped down here, and it was just right down there by the stair. You know, Sasha Flick? Sasha Flick, you looking for the chicken? Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna get this bird out, and we're getting both of these nails cut. They look freaking terrible right now. The other two are good though. Yeah, oh no, don't eat the microphone. Hey, stop now. Stop fucking around. Alright. So I guess I'm just gonna go in there and do this shit. Hey, stay. Alright, little buddy. Don't trip out too bad. I'm gonna let you free. Oh, motherfucker. Hopefully when he flies out, he doesn't fall, or else he's gonna be dog sack. Where's this little motherfucker? Alright, go free, little buddy. Don't go into the bed. Go free, little buddy. Okay. This is our guest bedroom. It's just full of... Oh, there you go! Yes! Yeah, he's out there. Hey, careful, careful. Don't jump out the window, guys. Sasha. Smell what that boy is. Oh, what? Look at that. Man, a freaking chicken left us an egg, but this dude just left us a deuce. You guys are freaking assholes. Yeah, sometimes when we used to feed them kibble back in the day, the birds would come down and eat the kibble, and they'd get so fat that they couldn't fly back out of the wall. Or at least that's what my theory is. And these guys would chop them up every once in a while. Come on, bad boy. This is all that for charity. This is how we do charity in Mexico. We just chuck this over the fence, and it gets picked up by people. Bunch of Marcel's clothes, some of my bought old clothes. There's a bunch more in here. We still gotta sort out and shit. Yep. That's the guest bedroom. Y'all gonna get the proper tour in one of the other videos, but. Yeah, now time to put this video, upload this shit real quick.
Man, I'm F-I-double-L-M-O-E. I'm like Seabiscuit, baby, you can bet on me.